Here's an easy tutorial for making this super cute yellow duck with pipe cleaners. Let's get started. Take 2 short pieces of pipe cleaner, cross them in the middle, then twist to secure. Adjust them into a cross shape. Attach another pipe cleaner. Wrap it around one loop at a time until you reach the end. Connect another pipe cleaner and repeat the same steps. Fold the excess pipe cleaner inward around the edges. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Apply glue around the edge. Attach a ring of orange pipe cleaner. Trim off the excess, then tuck the end inside. Turn it over, then fold it in half at the center. Adjust it into the shape of a duck's beak. Roll a 10 cm piece of pipe cleaner into a circle. Fold the end upward, then glue it to secure. Make another slightly smaller circle using white pipe cleaner. Glue the 2 pieces together. Add a black pupil. Make 2 eyes in total. Apply glue and attach them to the head. Fold a yellow pipe cleaner in half. Thread it through the center of the beak. Twist the pipe cleaner to form the neck. Place a pom-pom under the neck, then twist it in place like this. Use orange pipe cleaner to make the duck's feet. Fold it into 3 pointed toes, then twist to secure. Trim off the excess. Make 2 feet in total. Bend a yellow pipe cleaner into a heart shape. Wrap the pipe cleaner around to fill in the center. Twist the 2 ends together to secure. Make 2 wings in total. Roll a yellow pipe cleaner into a circle. Apply glue and attach it to the bottom. Continue applying glue and wrapping the pipe cleaner around. Wrap about 1/3 of the body, then attach both feet. Continue applying glue and wrap the entire body. Wrap it up around the neck, then trim off the excess. Finally, glue on both wings. And our funny little duck is finished. Don't forget to try making one yourself.